there, good to see you again. What we're going to do in this video is find the derivative of a composite function where the secant function is involved. So we have f of x equals the secant of 3x plus 1, and we want to find its derivative. Now, since there's a more complicated expression inside of the secant function, this requires the chain rule. So let's just remember the derivative rule for secant of a function u. So the derivative of secant is secant tangent. So that part is consistent with the derivative rule we learned a while ago. But then chain rule says I take that and I multiply by the derivative of u, so the derivative of the inside. So that means here f prime of x is equal to, so it's the secant of 3x plus 1 times the tangent of 3x plus 1, and then times the derivative of 3x plus 1. So if u is equal to 3x plus 1, this means that u prime is equal to 3. And then one thing we normally do, we write the simpler factors out front, followed by the more complicated factors, which are in this case the trig functions. And this is the derivative of f of x equals secant of 3x plus 1.